Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigiTwise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add separate captions for every slide in Instagram Carousel. So if you want every slide on your Instagram Carousel to have its own caption, the process is going to be very simple. And to start with, open Instagram. Now here click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on this plus icon to share a post. Now here choose post and select the multiple photos that you want to share in that carousel. After that, click on this arrow icon and then next. Now to add a separate caption for each photo, click on this add caption button and here you will see a drop down menu. Click on it and a menu prompt where you can choose whether you want to set a single caption or you want to choose multiple caption for each photo in the carousel. And as soon as you choose multiple caption, you will get an option to add multiple captions. And if you slide and go to the second post, you can add separate caption for this. And once you add separate captions for each photo, go ahead and follow the on-screen instruction to make this post live. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.